Om Shri Sai Ram. Previous class we studied about linear equations in one variable and its solutions. In this class, some of the basic operation in mathematics. Basic operation: addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. These are the basic operation in mathematics. First is multiplication and division. Multiplication and division. If we multiply or divide two numbers, if they contain positive and negative signs, that is plus or minus sign, how to operate the operation? This is the multiplication and division. Now, for example, if one number which contains plus sign, it is multiplied to another number which contains plus, the product gets which sign? In the same way, if plus is multiplied to, minus multiplied to minus, what we get? Or plus is multiplied to minus, what we get? Minus is multiplied to plus, what we get? It means the one number which have positive sign, another number which also have positive sign, then the product gets which sign? This is the meaning. In the same way, in division, if the number which contains positive sign, it is divided by another number which contains positive. What is the quotient? Minus is divided to minus. What is the quotient? Then plus is divided to minus, then what is the quotient? Minus is divided to plus, then what is the quotient? Now there is a very simple rule. What is the simple rule? If two numbers which contains like signs, what is the meaning of like sign? Plus plus, it is like sign, the same sign. In a multiplication or in a division, if two numbers which contain like signs, it means it gets the positive sign. It gets positive sign. The like sign means plus into plus, minus into minus, like signs, or same sign. Two numbers which contain same sign or like sign. So it is plus into plus, plus. Minus into minus, it is also plus. Very simple rule. If two number which contains like signs, then it gets the positive sign. Like sign means plus plus, like signs. Minus minus, it is also like sign. Now, plus into minus, one number which contains plus. What about another number which contains minus? So, is there like signs? No, it is unlike sign because plus and minus. So, it is minus. Minus into plus, like sign or a unlike sign? It is also unlike, so it is also minus. So like signs means it is plus, like plus, unlike means it is minus. In the same way in division also, plus like sign, so it is plus, minus it is like sign, so it is also plus, plus into minus, it is unlike, so minus into plus, it is minus. So what is the condition? Very simple condition. When we multiplying or dividing two numbers which contains like sign, then the quotient or product gets the positive sign. What is the condition? When we multiplying or dividing two numbers which contains like signs, then the product or quotient gets the positive sign. In the same way, plus and minus, it is unlike sign. When we multiply two numbers or dividing two numbers which contains unlike signs, the quotient or product which gets negative sign. This is the very simple condition. Look at the example. Plus 3 is multiplied to minus 3. Just tell me, plus 3 is multiplied to minus 3. Now what is the operation? The operation is multiplication. Look at the sign, plus and minus. First multiplied the numbers. 3 into 3. 3 3s it is 9. Now, two numbers which contains like sign or unlike sign, plus and minus is a like sign? No, it is minus. So which sign it gets? It is minus. So minus 9. If we multiply plus 3 into minus 3, it is 9. What is the reason? 3 into 3 is 9. Then the unlike sign, so plus into minus is minus. The unlike sign, so it is minus. Now another example. Minus 4 is multiplied to plus 2. What is the product? First multiply the numbers. 4 into 2. What is the product? It is 8. Now two numbers which gets a like sign or unlike sign? It is unlike sign. So it is minus. Very simple. Now third example. Plus 5 is multiplied to plus 3. What is the result? First multiply the numbers. 5 into 3 is 15. Now plus and plus. So it is like sign. So it becomes plus 15. Fourth example. Minus 7 into minus 3. What is the result? What is the product? 7 into 3 is 21. 7 3s are 21. Minus into minus means it gets the like sign. So it is plus. Like sign means plus. This is the method of multiplying two numbers. They get like sign and unlike sign. In the same way, for division, divide plus 3 and minus 3. What is the result? Now divide 3 by 3. How many times 3 is divided by 3? Only one time. So write 1. 3 ones are 3. Plus and minus. So unlike sign. So it becomes minus 1. Second example. Minus 4 is divided by plus 2. 4 divided by 2. First look at the numbers. 4 is divided by 2. 4, how many times divided by 2? 2 2s are 4. So write 2. Now minus and plus. It means unlike sign. So the quotient gets minus sign. Third example. Plus 6 is divided by plus 3. Now divide 6 by 3. What we get? 3 2s are 6. So 2 3s are 6. Now like sign, so it is plus 2. So answer is plus 2. The fourth example, minus 8 is divided by minus 2. What is the result? What is the quotient? 8, how many times divided by 2? It is 4. So 2 4s are 8. Now minus minus means it is a like sign, so it gets the positive sign. This is the simple method of multiplication and division. Now addition and subtraction. In addition and subtraction, there is a simple method. What is the method? If any number which have the sign plus means we have the money in our pocket. What is the meaning? Plus means we have the money in our pocket. ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ದುಡ್ಡಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕಿಸೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. ದುಡ್ಡಿನ ವಿಷಯ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್? ಎನಿ ನಂಬರ್ ವಿಚ್ ಗೆಟ್ಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ? ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಮನಿ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಪಾಕೆಟ್. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಮನಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ದುಡ್ಡಿದೆ. ದೆನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಮನಿ ಟು ಸಮ್ ಒನ್. ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಾವು ದುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ಯಾರಿಗೋ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ವಿ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಮನಿ ಟು ಸಮ್ ಒನ್. ಆರ್ ಲೋನ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್. ಆರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೋನ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಸಾಲ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಸರಿ, ಸಿಂಪಲಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ದುಡ್ಡಿದೆ ಕಿಸೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ? ಸಾಲ ಅಥವಾ ನಾವು ದುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ಯಾರಿಗೋ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ವಿ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಮನಿ ಟು ಸಮ್ ಒನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮೆನಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಫಾರ್ ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ plus 4 and plus 5. The simple mathematics. 4 plus 5. Plus 4 and plus 5. What is the meaning plus 4? We have the money in our pocket is 4 rupees. How many rupees you have in the pocket? That is 4 rupees. Now plus 5 means what is the meaning plus? Plus 5. 5 rupees added to that money. 4 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಿಸೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. ವಾಪಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ 5 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 5 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ವಾಪಸ್ ಸೇರಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು 9 rupees. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 9 rupees ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪಾಕೆಟ್, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್. 4 ರೂಪಾಯಿಗೆ 5 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಸೇರಿದೆ, 9 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಿಸೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಆದ ಕಾರಣ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 9. ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಆ್ಯಡ್ +4 and -2. +4 -2. Add these two. What is the result? Now look at this. First number is +4. +4 means we have 4 rupees in our pocket. How many rupees you have? 4 rupees. Then -2. You giving 2 rupees to someone. 4 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇತ್ತು ಕಿಸೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, 2 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು ಯಾರಿಗೋ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 4 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಿಸೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು, 2 ರೂಪಾಯಿನ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಿಸೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಇದೆ? ಇನ್ನೂ 2 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಮೈನಸಾ? ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್. 4 rupees we have in our pocket, so +4. -2, what is the meaning of -2? We giving 2 rupees to someone. So 4 rupees, 2 rupees you have given to someone. How many rupees are left in your pocket? That is 2. 2 rupees is left in your pocket, so +2. This is the answer, +2. Third example, add -2 and -6. -2 and -6. -2 and -6. How to add this? What is the meaning -2? -2 means we already have the loan amount is 2 rupees. ನಿಮಗೆ 2 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಸಾಲ ಇದೆ. We have the loan amount is 2 rupees. -6 means once again 6 rupees loan. 2 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಸಾಲ ಇತ್ತು, 6 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ವಾಪಸ್ ಲೋನ್ ಸಾಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾಲ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? 8 rupees ಏನಿದೆ? 8 rupees is loan. Loan amount is 8 rupees. Loan means minus or plus? It is minus, so -8. 2 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಸಾಲ ಇತ್ತು, 6 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ವಾಪಸ್ ಸಾಲ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ, ಒಟ್ಟು ಎಷ್ಟು ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಸಾಲ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ? 8 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಸಾಲ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ. ಸಾಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್? ಮೈನಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆಫ್ addition. The fourth example, add -3 and +4. -3 and +4. Now -3 +4. Add these two. What is the meaning of -3? We have the loan amount is -3. 3 rupees loan. Now +4. Someone given 4 rupees to you. What to do? 3 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಾಲ ಇತ್ತು, 4 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾರೋ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು, ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಆ 3 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಸಾಲನ್ನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ತೀರಾ, ಲೋನ್ ಅಮೌಂಟನ್ನು ಕಟ್ತೀರಾ. 3 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಸಾಲ ಇತ್ತು, 4 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ? 3 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಸಾಲ ಇದ್ದದನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇದೆ? ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ 3 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಕೂಡ 4 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಬಂದದ್ದು, ಸೊ 1 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ. 1 rupees ಏನಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಸ್. ನಾವು subtract +2 from +2. How to write? Subtract +2 from +2. So +2, this +2 minus +2. So +2 from +2. So +2 minus +2. This is the subtraction. Now write as it is +2. Look at this. This 2 contains 2 signs. Is it possible one number containing 2 signs? No. So what is the meaning? Minus bracket plus. It means minus into plus. We already learned minus into plus, or unlike sign means minus into plus, unlike, so it becomes minus. So +2 -2. Now tell me, what is the answer? 2 rupees you have in the pocket, -2 you giving someone to 2 rupees, then you already have 2 rupees, you giving 2 rupees to someone, what we get? 0 rupees. So this is the answer. Second one, subtract +3 from -4. This is the meaning, +3 from -4. So -4, subtraction means minus +3. Now -4 minus into plus, unlike sign, so it becomes -3. Just look at this, -4 and -3. 4 rupees, the loan amount is 4 rupees. Then once again the loan amount is 3 rupees. So total it becomes 7 rupees loan, so minus 7. Third example, subtract minus 3 from minus 6. Subtract minus 3 from minus 6. So minus 6, first write minus 6. Subtraction means minus 3. Right? Minus 6 as it is. Now minus multiplied to minus, the like signs, so it becomes plus. Minus minus like signs, when multiplication it becomes plus 3. 6 rupees. What is the loan amount? 6 rupees. Someone give 3 rupees to you. What is the now loan amount? That is 3 rupees. So minus 3 is the loan amount. Now fourth one, subtract minus 4 from plus 6. So plus 6, subtraction means minus 4. Plus 6, minus into minus, like sign, so it becomes plus 4. 6 rupees you have, already you have 6 rupees. Now someone given 4 rupees to you. What is the total amount you have? 10 rupees. So it is plus 10. This is the simple operation in mathematics. Sai Ram.